In Chinese medicine, there's a classical quote which says, 胃不和臥不安. This literally means that when the stomach is not harmonious, laying down to sleep is not peaceful. And while there's a lot of reasons why someone can have insomnia, it points to a central reason that it can come up. And that's more than just like food poisoning. If you have a cramping from food poisoning, that's not going to let you sleep. This is talking about a more systemic kind of chronic sort of condition. So for example, if you have a hard time falling asleep or staying asleep, maybe waking up in the middle of the night, it's a good chance that there might be a digestive component to this picture. Even with research around neuroendocrinology and neuroimmunology, there's a gut-brain connection that happens, and when it's severed, there's a difficulty with sleep.